Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Art Club. Happy St. George's Day. So today, to celebrate St. George's Day, we're going to be making a fire-breathing dragon. For this activity you'll need a cardboard roll, a pair of scissors, tissue paper strips in warm colours, green paint, green paper, a paintbrush or sponge, PVA glue or sellotape, a felt tip, and as an optional choice, green pom-poms and googly eyes. First things first, grab your cardboard roll and cover it in green paint. Now if you don't have green paint at home, you can use blue and yellow to make green. Or you could just make a completely different coloured dragon, it's up to you. Now that's finished, I'm going to leave it to dry and go and wash my green painted hands. When it's definitely dry, you can grab your PVA glue and just paint it on the inside of the cardboard roll. This is where we're going to stick our strips of tissue paper to make the fire breathing part of our dragon. So you just want to grab each strip and gently tap it in onto the glued area. And twist your cardboard roll as you go round so you get a strip on each of the blank spaces. It should start to look something like this. You just want to make sure you fill in all the gaps. You might want to double up on some of them. And here is your fire-breathing dragon. However, it doesn't have its whiskers or eyes yet, so you want to grab your green card or paper and cut very thin strips, 2 thin strips. That should look like this, and then you want to fold them in half. Grab your pom-poms and your googly eyes, and we're going to stick these onto the head of our dragon. So you want to stick them together, stick them down, and then pop your whiskers on, one on either side towards the end of the snout. Just like that. And then pop your googly eyes on top of your pom-poms. Now if you don't have googly eyes or pom-poms, you can fashion some eyes out of some card and felt tip. As a finishing touch, grab your felt tip pen and draw 2 little lines on the snout. And there you have it. You have made one fire-breathing dragon. I got a little bit carried away and I wanted to make the mother of all dragons. And so I got a really long piece of cardboard roll and followed the exact same steps, and this is how it turned out. Thank you so much for joining us in Art Club today. Happy St. George's Day. We'd love to see any pictures of your dragons that you make at home, so do send them in to @ideastores on Twitter so we can feature them on our website. See you next time.